sun rising over the sea, golden light shining down on me. Feel the breeze in the coconut trees, nature singing a melody. Birds fly high in the open sky, river flows and the clouds drift by. Every step on the sandy shore makes me love this world even more. Listen to the wind, hear the leaves sway. Mother Nature got something to say. Oh, feel the rhythm of the earth tonight. Mountains high and the rivers bright, under the moon and the shining sun. Nature and I, we move as one. Hear the reggae in the forest sound, peace and love all around. From the ocean waves to the sky above, the earth keeps singing songs of love. The earth keeps singing songs of love. Raindrops fall on the jungle leaves, cool and calm like a gentle breeze. Colors bloom in the valley wide, life is dancing side by side. From the hills to the deep blue sea, nature writing a symphony. Every creature, big and small, living freely, loving it all. Listen to the wind, hear the leaves sway. Mother Nature got something to say. Oh, feel the rhythm of the earth tonight. Mountains high and the rivers bright, under the moon and the shining sun. Nature and I, we move as one. Hear the reggae in the forest sound, peace and love all around. From the ocean waves to the sky above, the earth keeps singing songs of love. The earth keeps singing songs of love. So take a breath, feel the air so free. This beautiful world is our melody. Protect the land, protect the sea. Live in love